With all these awesome benefits, there are some cons too. And one of the biggest cons of Shopify is that it has limited customization. They does not allow customization. Whatever theme you will be implementing, you have to be in that space only. They actually hold you to customize anything on their platform. Whatever app you will be buying, you cannot customize that. And the transaction fee is a big turn off too, because Shopify charges 0.5 to 2% depending on the plan you choose, whether you are on a $29 plan or you are on a $299 plan. So you will be charged 0.5% to 2% on top of the payment gateway charges. Third con is the add-ons. You have to buy a lot of apps to scale your store. Shopify do give us an e-commerce platform, but to run an e-commerce platform, you have to integrate a lot of marketing tools, a lot of apps which will actually make your store reach out to a global audience or a wider audience where you can convert more and more users. For that, you have to buy apps which may range again from $1 to $30 rupees per month. Do subscribe, and I'll soon see you with another video. Ciao.